Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be fixing the cruise control on a 1999 to 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ. And of course, this is what worked for me, so as always, your mileage may vary. This is not going to cost very much at all. You can probably do it for free, but you might want to do a hose clamp. You can get a 6-pack for $4 only if you need it. It's really not going to take very long. Assuming that this fix is the fix for you, it's only going to take you about 5 minutes. The tools that you need, you're going to need a 7mm socket or adjustable wrench. That's just to remove the headlight, and a slot or flat-bladed screwdriver if you do go with the hose clamps. Now remember, I don't have any special tools, training, or skills. If I can do it, so can you. Alright, the first thing that we need to do is remove that headlight. Here you're seeing that I can use either the adjustable wrench, which is kind of kludgy, but it works if you don't have any other options, or if you can, just get a 7mm socket and put it on a ratchet wrench and take that out. Now, the first couple threads are going to take a little bit to get it out, especially if it's the first time. Once you get that done, then you can turn it by hand. The screw is, or the bolt is deceptively long here. The threads are only at the very, very end, even though it does go all the way through the headlamp assembly. As you can see when I pull it out here, the threads are just on the very bottom there. Now comes the tricky part, and I only say tricky because you just gotta kind of finesse this headlight out. You can see in the bottom right where my hand is there, and in the top left where the sheet metal is. Those are the two kind of sticking points for getting the headlight assembly out. Once you finesse it out, don't force it, just wiggle it around until you can actually get it out. It'll come, then just hang it by the wire that comes there. Obviously that's not ideal, but this isn't a permanent thing that you're going to do. You're only going to put it there for a few moments. Now we just need to inspect behind it. And what we're looking for is the vacuum line. Now I'm going to show you here with my hand where it is, and what we're looking for, there's a T-junction there. And this T-junction sometimes has a tendency to crack. So you want to look and see if that T-junction there is cracked, or any of the vacuum lines going into or out of it are cracked. The line that goes up comes underneath the battery tray, and it's very difficult to see here. In fact, I'm going to show you on a different angle here, a better way to see that. And it's got those little orange pieces of paper. Mine does. I'm not sure if yours does, but right there. And it goes all the way to the back. Now this is all a solid piece of hard plastic. It's not soft rubber. And you see where it comes up here and then does this bend over the top. And again, this is that hard plastic, so it can crack anywhere along there. This is where that loop is, and that changes over to this soft rubber. And again, this is kind of hard to see, so on a different angle, you can see right there, the hose was off of the vacuum intake on the throttle body assembly. All you gotta do is just push it on. This is the view you're gonna most likely have, so you just kind of gotta do it by feel. It's really easy to do, and that's where you would put the hose clamp if you need it. In my case, I didn't. All it's left to do is to test it out. Okay, I'm doing 45 miles an hour, and that is fast enough. You gotta be doing over 40 for the cruise to start. So turn the cruise on, the cruise light. I'm not sure if you can see it there, but the cruise light just turned on. And let's hit the set button. And I took my foot off of the gas, and I'm still doing 45. So everything looks like it's good, and of course I have a stop sign. So it looks like the fix worked, so I think we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.